Hello and welcome to my kitchen. We are here another day for another easy, tasty, fast recipe, and in this case is a sweet one. We're going to be making tarta de Santiago, or St. James's cake, St. James's tart. And this is so easy, it's only got 4 ingredients. So let's start. I already beaten my eggs here and we're going to add the sugar. And with the sugar we are going to cream it, and in order to save your ears from it, I'll do it in a fast. Once creamed, what we're going to do, we're going to add the lemon zest and we're going to add the almond, and we're going to mix it all up. Right, so the filling is in the tin and we're going to stick it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 30 minutes. Just one warning, do not overcook this dish, this cake, because if you do, it will caramelize the sugar and it will give it a bitter taste, which is horrible. So knowing this, let's put it in the oven for half an hour and let's see how it comes out. It's gonna be amazing. So here we are, this is what it looks like after it has been cooled down. Do not take it out of the tin until it has cooled down. Once that it has cooled down, then you can take it out and we can decorate it. And if you're wondering what the 2 holes are, it's because I was checking if it was cooked. So this is what it looks like, and now we are going to decorate it. We're going to use a fleur de lis, or I think it's a lily in English. We're going to put it there in the center, and then we're going to decorate. And this is what it looks like, and it's got the 2 holes in the middle. I didn't realize it was gonna come out like that, so I'll fix it to get the picture out, but hey, look. Perfect fleur de lis, lily I think you call it in English, and this is a very famous Galician cake, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we do in Galicia. If you like this recipe, please like this recipe, share, subscribe, share the love for food, please support us, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks. Bye.